Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll focus on how to fix the Bosch Dishwasher error code E06. But first, what does error code E6 mean? A pop-up of error code E6 on your Bosch dishwasher indicates a fault on the machine's door sensor. The following are some of the common causes of the error. Short circuits on the electrical components associated with the door sensor, faulty wiring between the main control board and the sensor. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Hard restarting the appliance. Turn the appliance off and cut its power supply for about 30 seconds before restoring the power. This should clear the error if caused by minor electrical faults. Checking the sensor. This involves error E6 emanating from faulty connections of the door sensor to the main control board. To do this, cut the power supply to the appliance and unsecure the screws holding its front panel and the control panel in position. Pull the front panel back to remove and dislodge the control panel from the position. Check for faulty wire harnessing between the door sensor and the main control board, and repair or replace where necessary. Assemble the appliance completely before re-plugging it in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.